This is Taj English Academy. I am your lecturer, speaker and advisor, Dr Taj Firdousi. My dear students, ladies and gentlemen, it is in continuation with the last lecture of mine regarding question tags, spoken English. In short, I'd like to recapitulate those things what we did it in lecture 104. I said the question tags, we use it for the purpose to see that whatever we say is true with a question tag at the end. So the first part is, this is tea. That means I'm sure I know because I made it. There is tea, isn't it? And I expect the answer, yes sir, this is tea, you are right. And if it is coffee, then I say the same thing because I made it. I know it is coffee, not tea. So I say that one, it isn't coffee. Is it? So if there is negative in the first part, positive is the question tag. If the first part is positive, the question tag is negative. For example, you know that the gentleman is the manager who is responsible. So you go and say that one, you are responsible for this, aren't you? That aren't you means to make sure that I know that you are responsible and you are the person. Aren't you insists and says that I know that. If that's the negative way, he is not responsible, then you can say that you are not responsible, are you? Because not is the negative in the first part and the second part of the sentence is are you. So, you are the student, aren't you? You are not the student, are you? Now, the same thing, are you and is it and is he is applied for the same pattern for present continuous. What we did before was present simple. For example, he likes tea. Present simple. He likes tea. Doesn't he? He doesn't like coffee. Does he? So, you know the answer, don't you? You don't know the answer, do you? So that is present simple. And now we will go to the present continuous, something which is going on. Yeah. For example, somebody is sleeping and you saw that man is sleeping. You come to his assistant and say that, look, your employee is sleeping because he is sleeping. So put is with not to make sure. He is sleeping, isn't he? She is typing, isn't she? And if it is negative, he is not sleeping, is he? She is not typing, is she? So you have to use present simple with do and does and present continuous with is and are and am. They are working, aren't they? Negative. They are not working, are they? She is working, isn't she? She is not working, is she? So, you know you are going to the office. You are going, aren't you? You are giving him the answer, aren't you? You are not telling anything, are you? So this is called the question tag. Let's give some more example. I will give you and you just make. For example, they are coming. What is the question tag? They are coming. Aren't they? What is the negative if they are not coming? They are not coming. What is the question tag? Are they? Please remember, you are not putting full stop between these two halves. They are not coming, comma. They are not coming, are they? Then the question. Then the question mark. They are coming, comma, aren't they? Okay. He is dreaming, isn't he? He is going there, isn't he? We are going there, aren't we? We are not working now, are we? You are not going there, are you? Well, this is the end of these present continuous question tags. In the next class of mine, I am going to give you the question tags of present perfect. Okay, gentlemen, thank you very much. Please share, like, and communicate with your friends to share and subscribe with all your friends. Jazakallah, thank you very much. Ma'as salam, Dr. Taj Firdousi says bye. Take care.